name is Crystal, and obviously yesterday, Sunday, Father's Day, there was no post. I'd just like to show you my post from Saturday. And we seem to be having doubles here, a case of doubles. Two catalogues, exactly the same. Crystal Cruises, voted world's best more than any other cruise line, hotel or resort in history. Coastal Classics and the Balearic Isles, Vineyards and Vistas Getaway at the Mediterranean, Romantic Rhine at Crystal Bark, or Back, sorry, we don't want to sound like a dog, do we? What? But it looks like Crystal Bark to me. I think people are making things up as they go along myself. The delightful Danube, Budapest, the Regensburg, the Crystal Mozart, Crystal Mahler, Crystal Bark again, which is obviously bark as in the composer, not bark as in wolf. So, Crystal. Making money out of crystal, aren't they? But crystal's bloody broke. And if you open this, perfumes, Christian Dior, UK House, 6th floor, Oxford Street, London. Christian Dior, Paris. And we have new Dior backstage professional performance and makeup. And a face and body foundation sample. If you're rich, you have tons of it. If you're poor like me, you just get a free sample in the post. Isn't that exciting? And as we had Crystal farting Hoffer in the post a few days ago for me, which was a free bloody SIM card. I can do a lot with that, I really can. Like stick it down the toilet and give it a good old flush. What I wanted to say, that my life seems to revolve about dogs going ruff, ruff, and ugh. And you know what? I have made up a joke. It might sound a bit sick, but I'm sick of people sitting next to me and going ugh, and going away, so that I don't mind, because I can get on and do my poetry in peace. So piss off, you bastard. What's the last thing a parrot says when it dies and falls backwards in the bird cage?